Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Your Chef Shaikh here again. Today we're gonna make a dish. Is a Spanish dish, and this dish is a traditional Spanish dish. It's a long time ago. It start the farmers. They used to make this on farm. So like all farmers who works in farm, they used to eat all together in the lunchtime, and so it's people they make a different way. Everybody got different way, and today we're making a seafood with vegetables. So should we start? Okay guys, we making a seafood with vegetables. This dish called paella. So this is Spanish paella, and we making with the seafood with the vegetables. Shall we start? Okay guys, I'm gonna put some butter in first. Okay. And I'm gonna put some olive oil. The first thing, I'm gonna fry my onions. If you don't have a paella dish, you can use any dish, any fry pan, anything which it's not necessary to use a paella dish. Okay friend, this need a bit more brown, this onion. As you seen, we're making this video outside. Today is it's good weather. It's a bit chilly, but it's okay. So it's a little bit sunshine as well. So we decided to make a video outside today. Okay guys, this is nearly ready. I'm gonna put some salt in there, just and 1 spoon, a small spoon salt. I'm going to put 1.5 spoon garlic, 1 spoon ginger, about 1/2 spoon black pepper, crushed black pepper, about just a little bit turmeric powder, and 1 spoon cumin seed powder, and about 1/2 spoon paprika sauce. And I'm gonna put some more oil in there. And this olive oil I'm using. I'm gonna mix this all. And I'm gonna put prawns in there. I'm gonna leave this prawn to cook a little bit, about 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna take prawns out. Okay guys, so I'm taking all prawns out. Now I'm gonna put, guys, this is chopped tomatoes. When it's finished, guys, you're gonna love this dish. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put some veg in there. Is carrot, peas and sweet corn. Okay, now I'm gonna put rice in. This is a paella rice. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put stocking. Now I'm gonna put this, it's a vegetable stock. Okay. Let me check salt. I needed some bit more salt in there. I just put another a bit more than half spoon. Okay, now I'm gonna put a lid on that to let cook. Just put this. Okay, friend, now I'm gonna put prawns in there. There you go, prawns. Now I'm gonna put fish. I'm using a cod. And now I'm gonna put the lid on top. It will cook. Okay guys, I'm putting some language steam. It's I think it's a baby lobster. Yeah. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put some green onion. Now I'm gonna put lid on top and leave it for cook. Okay guys, I'm putting little bit coriander and a little bit parsley. Okay, and then put lids on there. It take about 5 minutes to cook with the steam. Okay guys, this paella is ready, right? So I'm gonna take this out. Okay guys, this is our paella ready. All right. Seafood with the vegetables paella. So what do you think about it? It's if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with the friends and family. But this is a very nice paella. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.